The Rockville RCS180-6 Commercial Audio Bundle is a powerful audio solution designed for versatile use across large venues, offering 180 watts of 70-volt power and 6 individually controlled zones. This bundle includes 4 pairs of Rockville CC65T white ceiling speakers that feature a 6.5-inch polypropylene woofer and a 1/2-inch Mylar dome tweeter, ensuring full-range, high-clarity sound. With Bluetooth, USB, SD, FM radio, and optical inputs, the RCS180-6 amplifier provides flexible media access that caters to diverse audio needs. The CC65T speakers offer tap-selectable 70-volt settings, allowing for zone-specific customization, ideal for dining rooms, offices, or hallways requiring different volume levels. Installation is made easy with the CC65T's flush design and paintable grills, while the RCS180-6 amplifier's detachable Euroblock speaker outputs streamlined setup even in tight spaces. This system is perfect for commercial environments like restaurants, schools, and offices due to its support for long cable runs and constant voltage distribution, providing reliable and clear audio coverage.